taking apart my shifter assembly for my 2009 Chevy Cobalt. I'm going to be installing a short shifter from Redline 360. I was going to get a ZZP, but decided to go with the Redline product. I liked it a little bit better. Now to get the boot off, I've already taken it off because I had to pull it out of the car. You basically just twist it and it pulls right off. Then I'm going to remove the retaining clip. So retaining clip is right there. So for the top retainer, you can either get a pry bar and wedge it underneath there and kind of twist, and that pulls it up. Or you can go from the back side, and I know you can't really see it, but you can go in here with the long screwdriver and twist on it and pull it straight out. It just pretty much releases the little clip. So it's usually not really difficult. But you're not going to want to break it. You're not going to want to break this because you have to reuse it. This is the plastic clip from the shift cables. This actually comes with the new shift cables, but so I don't actually need these. But to get these off, you just push in the two sides and it pulls right out. Next, there is a rubber O-ring. And the plastic part that goes into the shift cables just pulls right off. So it just pushes on, then pulls off. And the black one goes on the bottom of the shift lever. So the black and gray one goes on the bottom of that. And then the other linkage goes on the little metal piece that sticks out the side. So now this should just pull right out. Oh, well, before you can pull it out, you have to take off this plastic pin that holds this part in. So I believe the new short shifter should be coming with a metal pin. I want to try not to break this just in case. And if you kind of push down on the sides and then push it out, I used a pick to push in there. So you're kind of putting pressure on it, and then you take a screwdriver and push down on the side, and that just pushes out. So I did pick this one up from a wrecking yard, just because I wanted to get it fully. I wanted to get the short shifter fully installed, and it'll be a lot quicker to put it in my car. My car won't have to be down for any length of time. So there is one last rubber gasket. I mean, there's one last O-ring right inside there. I might look online, see if there's a rebuild kit for these, and buy all new bushings and O-rings. It looks like these two O-rings are the same size. And then there was one O-ring down here, but that one broke, so we definitely will need a new one of those. So this part goes on the bottom, and then this goes Another reason why I got one from a wrecking yard, and I'm doing it before the short shifter comes in, is because I want to go through and clean all this. I'm going to re-grease it with white lithium grease. But where the shifter sits, it gets a whole lot of nastiness over, the course of